Hello everyone and welcome again to Minimalist Gourmet, where today I'll be teaching you how to make cream cheese frosting. Let's get started. In my bowl I have one stick that is a half a cup of butter that I've cut into small cubes and allowed to come up completely at room temperature. To this I'll be adding 8 ounces of cream cheese, which I have also allowed to come up fully to room temperature. Trust me guys, it will make it a lot easier to mix together. I like to start out with a wooden spoon and just get everything kind of integrated before moving on to a wire whisk. This will help aerate it and make it nice and fluffy as we mix. If you don't have a wire whisk, you can absolutely use a spoon or a fork. They will both work as well. Next up, we have a quarter teaspoon of salt as well as 1 whole teaspoon of vanilla extract for a nice flavor. Go ahead and mix these in a little bit before we move on to our last ingredient, which is 4 cups of powdered sugar. I find it works best if you add this in stages. So add about a half a cup of sugar in, mix it really well, add another half a cup of sugar, mix it in really well, and continue on until all 4 cups of sugar are completely mixed in. Of course, if you have electric beaters or a stand mixer, go ahead and use them. I like to show you all these recipes using the simple tools that I have on hand to show you that it absolutely can be done without any special equipment. Your finished frosting should look a lot like this, nice and silky and velvety. I put mine in the refrigerator for about an hour to firm up a little bit, which allows it to hold this spoon completely at attention. This frosting is very versatile and can go on anything from carrot cake to a muffin. As you see here, I have it on my almond flour sugar cookies, which I'll be linking in the end card as well as the description below, so you can make that at home tonight. And guys, it is just that easy to make this recipe at home tonight. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you return again very soon to see another episode of Minimalist Gourmet.